Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular stylish bathroom over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be creating this candle stand. For that, let's go into this front view. Let's take a line. I'll just take a line over here. I'll just create it in this way. I'll slightly just push this up and I'll give a modifier that's called a Lathe Modifier. So let's give a Lathe Modifier over here. So I'll go into this vertices, I'll slightly push it down. I'll shuffle this till here, convert to editable poly, and I'll give a modifier that's called shell modifier. I'll reduce its size over here. So again I'll go into this, I'll again give convert to editable poly. So select this. So I'll keep on selecting this. Let's just bridge this all. So I'll just bridge this over here. So I'll just undo it. I can just bridge it all together. That would be much better over here. So select this. Bridge it. And now I'll go over here and I'll just create a candle over here using a cylinder. I'll just go to the top view over here. I'll slightly just push this up over here. I'll reduce its radius. I'll increase its height a bit. Convert to editable poly. So I'll just make it straight, not a problem. I'll go into the polygon. I'll give a bit of inset. I'll give a bit of extrude over here. Again I'll extrude it slightly. Shuffle a bit down. Let's take a sphere. Draw a sphere over here. Let's go into this and give a FFD box over here. So I'll go into this. I'll slightly just push this up in this way. I'll adjust it accordingly. And I'll scale this. In this way. So you can later on texture it also, or you can give some color gradient or whatever you like. So select this and this, and let's make a duplicate of it. So just copy this, keep it in this way. After that, I can go over here and I can make a mirror. So save your file. I'll go into this front view over here and I'll just take a box over here. Slightly just push this up, resize it, shuffle it a bit further, Alt Q, isolate selection, convert to editable poly, give a bit of inset, slightly extrude it, and isolate this. So slightly shuffle it inside, select this polygons. Now after that, I'll go into this side view over here. I'll take a box over here. Let's create a box up till here. So this would be a glass partition over here. So I'll keep this box over here, convert to editable poly, and select the vertices. Select this polygons, slightly give a bit of inset over here. Let's click OK. Select this, slightly shuffle it over here. So now what I can do over here is like convert to editable poly. I'll slightly extrude this wall over here. So I'll just put one swift loop over here. So select this polygons, slightly extrude it. So definitely we'll be putting up one camera angle. So first I'll just keep it like this. Now after that, so there is also a kind of sitting stool over here. Take again a swift loop over here. So let's just take a swift loop. So slightly shuffle this up, slightly shuffle this up. Take again a swift loop. Select this polygons. And I can slightly shuffle it a bit further. Select this, extrude it in negative axis. I'll click OK over here. Now I can select this. I'll just select this one over here. I'll duplicate it. I'll just place it up over here. So I can rotate it. And I can take one more copy over here. I'll just keep it in this way. After that, select this all. I'll make a carpet over here. So let's go into extended primitives over here, and let's take a chamfer box like this. So reduce this fillet over here, reduce its height, reduce its fillet, reduce its height, and convert to editable poly, scale it, so we can create this something like this. So let's go over here, let's take a line tool, I'll off this auto grid option. And let's give a lathe modifier. Oops. So I'll go into the vertices. What I can do over here is like, we need to spread this out. So I'll put one swift loop over here also. It's looking something very different. I think it looks like made of a, just scaled this down, not much small, but I'll keep it at the corner. So whatever is clearly visible, we are modeling that. So that would be of a glass part. So let's give a shell modifier, make it a bit thick over here. Alright, so take again a cylinder, go to the top view over here, I'll increase its height, convert to editable poly, select the shape, slightly inset it, push it down, again inset it, again extrude it, again extrude it, extrude it, and isolate this. So I'll select this, copy this, Alt and A, that is for align, click on this object. So it is going to align to the center of this particular object, scale it, go to the top view, adjust it properly, so you can make it in a glass form, you can do that. You can make some extra elements like towels and hangers and everything, so we'll just make that. If you want, you can create that. So let's take a line over here, so select this, slightly give a bit of fillet. So you go into rendering, enabling viewport, increase its thickness, slightly just push this up, and you can hang the for hanging the towel or something. We'll definitely do it. Save your file again. So convert to editable poly. So you can try with a plane over here. Push it up. So increase its segments. So go into animation, mass effects, cloth, create M cloth. Select this. Animation, mass effects, rigid body, static rigid body, and make it as original. Animation, mass effects, simulation, play simulation. Okay, so you can try it. I can just shuffle this over here. Animation, mass effects, simulation, play simulation. You can make it a bit thicker also. Because it is a very thin object, so it's difficult to do that. So we'll find out some other way to do this, or else you can slightly reduce it. I'll do the reset, animation, mass effects, simulation, play simulation. Oops, mass effects, simulation, play simulation. Step simulation. So we can edit it definitely. So, oops. First need to convert to poly, and you can mirror it in x-axis over here. So go into freeform, and you can slightly shuffle this up, adjust it. You can do that. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll be continuing with the other part. So if any doubts, please put it in the comment section. So thanks for watching this tutorial.